everything's supposed to be in here, but somehow everything ended up out here. Thanks to you know who. Why you throw it all on the floor? Never mind. We got a little reorganizing to do. Let me see, Puka.
Now we gotta cut your finger off.
What if you put soap on it?
Right, that's what I was thinking. Babe, try soap. Silence. Tis the season to be jolly.
La 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 la.
Honey, you guys.
Time to decorate this tree and get into the Christmas spirit.
Oh, and hello. So this is my mom, Ray, and she's the coolest investor.
And my dad too.
Then my dad's the coolest house builder. And this is my brother, and he's very crazy and funny, and I love him so much. I always take care of him.
And who is you?
Ava Hospital. Just kidding, that's my demon slayer. My name is Ava. And I'm a demon slayer. And then right here, I got invisible Tanjiro.
Yeah, put up, It's time to get into putting this tree together, putting our little touch on it, you feel me?
Exactly.
It's been a minute since we actually made a Christmas video. These little raggedy heads is getting bigger too.
Y'all are very late, probably.
Hold on, no you peeping.
We got some new merch because we some assets.
Yep, we have the asset crop top for the ladies.
It's so
And we
soft.
got
Yep.
Oh yeah.
We got the perfect asset shirt with the asset beanie. This boy is nice and comfortable. Very warm for the winter time, you feel. We got the sweatpants and we got the hoodie that go with the sweatpants.
Damn. Back like no.
The perfect combination. So we got two different styles. We got asset only and we got the assets. And we got the toddler asset shirt, you know. They some little assets. You got they liabilities, but you gotta turn them into little assets.
And I got my own too.
Yep, and this is the kid shirt.
Yeah. We also got some stickers.
Stickers, mugs, smugs, little pugs.
We got everything. We even got water bottles.
Definitely got more coming soon, so just stay tuned. Head over to artlife.com.
ARTT artlife.com. If you don't use imagination, we'll start using it. Because Tanjiro's right here. I also got a new cup.
Cup at what?
Cocoa. But it's hey, where's my cup?
Remember we was at the store
Uh-huh.
and you was being rude? Yeah, that's why you're not getting hot cocoa.
Oh, Tanjiro cup. It's Tanjiro cup.
On that cup or you on this cup?
It's Tanjiro.
See y'all, this is the asset. I'm going to use this every day.
For being rude at the store.
Yeah, this. Hey, you got one!
Wow.
I love this night. And let's get into the Christmas spirit. Woo!
Now we're about to stack these tiers up. So this tree is definitely too tall.
Oh, if you get cracked in the head with it.
That's how we got that scratch on the ceiling. This year gonna be the last year we put this tall tree up in this house. Because next year we're gonna be in our house with taller ceilings.
Yeah, I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna record a video.
Time stamp. Let's go. We gotta stretch these.
Woo! It's getting hot in here.
We got different flavors, so if you feeling cold, you can throw on a sweat jumpsuit.
The part we hate about decorating a tree, pictures. Oh yeah. We need some over here. I don't know what to do with this camera. Beautiful.
Stop, want under the tree?
White or red?
Why to match like some of the light?
Which one you want under the tree, dude? The red or you want the white one?
I don't want to pick. Wait, I want to pick the red. Oh, that one.
Oh, TJ. Pick what you want. We both got different roles.
Daddy, are you messing up?
Have a different character. It feels so good to have a tree up.
Out.
Leroy under the tree. Anybody need a tree fix?
If y'all need y'all tree fix, come holler at your boy. Huh?
Oh Lord, you're breaking them. Another year, another Christmas. They are getting bigger and bigger. Keep on with us.
Stay tuned to figure out which house we gonna choose.